Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin with data ready, group means, sample sizes, and within group sums of squares. First, calculate the overall mean and compute SSB, between group sum of squares, using group means and n. Once done, find SSC if not given by summing within group squared deviations. Make sure you track total observations n, because df total equals n minus 1. This matters for splitting degrees of freedom into between and within components. Next, compute degrees of freedom. df between equals the number of groups k minus 1, and df within equals n minus k. Then divide. ms between is SSB over df between, and ms within is SSC over df within. These are your variance estimates. Once you have both mean squares, compute the f statistic by dividing ms between by ms within. You do this because f compares explained variance to unexplained variance. A larger ratio indicates group differences beyond sampling noise. Finally, determine the f critical value for your alpha using df between and df within, or compute the p-value directly from the f distribution. Then compare. If your computed f exceeds the critical value, reject the null hypothesis, otherwise fail to reject. Make sure to report the p-value and an effect size like eta squared to convey magnitude. Troubleshooting tip. If assumptions fail, heteroscedasticity or non-normal residuals, use a Welch Anova or transform data before relying on f results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.